Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. So today I decided to do something really special because I've realized that for a couple of weeks I've been showing you too much of the outdoors that I've been doing, too much of the shopping, and a lot about my weekend edition. So I wanted to try and show you what really I do at home, and even though my day in a life vlog is still under progress, I decided that I'll create another sort of video on some of the things that I usually do. So this is not something I usually do, but then it's something that I found really interesting, and I thought maybe you all may be really interested on this as well. So today I'm going to create a video on how to create stickers. Now, to create stickers you need 4 things, and you don't need to have sticker paper. So what you'd need is a baking paper. You'd need some of the sticker samples with you, so try and print them off. They shouldn't be really hard to print. So I've printed some of these, and you've got to make sure you've got sufficient amount of tape with you. So we've got tape over here. And lastly, don't forget to bring in some scissors. And of course, as usual, if your hands are really dry, you can use some Nivea cream before you start. This is not sponsored, but this is something that I usually do. So if you feel like your hands are really dry, make sure to use a Nivea cream beforehand, and these are the 4 things that you need. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I hope you can see this really well. So what we've tried to do here is we've tried to get our stickers over here in place. So these are basically some of the stickers that I have. So what we're going to do first of all is trying to cut them, and when you cut them you've got to make sure that you leave some space behind. So you don't cut exactly to the circle. So going to the camera, basically you've got to cut around it. So you cut around it, but you don't cut exactly to the circle. And you'll see what I mean in a second. So this is how it should look like. It's basically like this. So although the circle is somewhere on the white part, the white borders are like the circles, but then despite that, we still tried to cut around the edges and leave some space. Okay guys, so finally, as you can see, we've got some of the cutouts over here. So I cut it out some pieces, not all of them, but I just wanted to show you the overall idea. So once you've got your baking paper with you, you can see my baking paper is quite long in size, so this is how my baking paper looks like. But then you can just cut it out. So let's try and do that. Okay, that was smooth. So this is really how my paper looks like. So first we're going to lay out. First of all, we're going to tape the baking paper. So how we're going to do this, I'm going to show it to you. Okay everybody, so we start off by taking a specific amount of tape that we need. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to take my tape. I'm going to tape it to the layer where I want my stickers to be on. So we want to make sure there's no air bubbles. You want to remove all those air bubbles. Okay, so there has to be no bump. All of them has to be very clear. So you can see my tape is laid on this area. So I'm going to start putting out my cutouts. and trying to put as much as can fit. So it's gonna go on like that. Of course, if you've got more cutouts, you can put on more tape, more baking paper, baking paper, and that works as well. But I just wanted to show you the gist of it. So this is something I knew for a long period of time, but I wasn't sure if you all knew it. So I was like, maybe I'll just create a video on this, just in case someone wants to create stickers, but just didn't have an idea on how to do it. Now I know a lot of my friends, they'd go to like official shops to get the stickers because it's more professional. Of course, if you're aiming for something more professional, do be sure to go to some better sort of company to do it. But if it's something just for fun, I'd say this is a way to save money and really simple. Okay, so let's try and get our tape. So we're going to tape it on this thing carefully. So this is how it looks like at the end. So now we're going to try and take one of it. So I'm going to cut it out carefully. So this is, so I've just cut out one piece. As you can see, I still got some more cutouts, which I've got to stick on the paper. So I've just took some tape and then I've stuck the cutouts over here. I've taken out one of it, so I've cut out some of it. Now remember, when you're like cutting it out, you've got to like leave out some space if you can see that clearly. So I'm gonna like move back. You've got to cut out some space. Once you've done that, it's time to make the sticker happen. So what we're going to do is we're going to, so once you've sort of got your stickers with you, you can peel it off. So we're going to peel it off in this way, and you can see that you've got your sticker ready. This is a book that I'm currently reading, which is called Life After Life by Kate Atkinson. So I'm just going to stick my sticker over here. And this is how it looks like. So I'm going to give you all a closer view. This is how my sticker looks like. Now because the camera is slightly blurry, you can't see it, but overall the sticker is quite well prepared and overall it looks really nice. Of course, if you cut out the circles more carefully, you'd get a much more better sticker. But this is overall how the product looks like. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video to whoever might be interested in making a sticker. And be sure to comment down below if you'd like videos on other types of sort of DIY decorations. So bye guys, see you in my next video.